I blocked her, asked her to block me back. एक मिनट,
Best day
ये
ever.
थोड़ा टेक्निकल इश्यूज है इसमें. पहले तो
I always keep my options open.
what do you think about fuckboys?
I don't think about fuckboys.
Yeah.
They think about me.
आप भी करो ना कुछ काम.
You have boyfriend in-laws.
क्या मैं भगवान से प्रे करूंगी कि प्रतीक __ को बहुत जल्दी एक लड़की मिल जाए. Welcome to another episode of 3M Confessions. I am Kashish.
And I'm Nandita.
You guys asked us some questions and we are here to answer them all. Everything about women, dating, relationships, and love.
Adhir Kaul is asking, my experiences taught me that women are not capable of handling a man's emotion. Thoughts. We love emotional men.
Yeah.
It's like my face melts when I see emotional men.
There's no going back once you start dating an emotional, pooky guy, I would say. Early years of my life, I was into guys who were like, macho, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. Hard to catch also. But eventually, when I started dating this guy, my boyfriend right now, he's such a pookie, he's sweet, he's caring, he's cute, he's emotional. I think Adhir, you have been with wrong girls. You need to find girls who look for emotional guys, who look for emotional things in a relationship. Not all women are the same.
Also, it's a great thing when you're able to communicate your experiences to someone. So maybe try to talk it up, try to talk more, and if they don't understand, leave.
Yeah. Should I be reserved in dating because of high standards? I like where this is going. Or just be a fuckboy because of FOMO?
What is he missing out on girls? Yeah, he's saying that he doesn't want to miss out on all the beauties
Listen.
of the world, right?
Abhinav, UA. Fuckboy is nothing. Fuckboy is bad. Fuckboy is sad. You'll be alone. I would personally say you should reserve yourself for dating because high standards. What do you think about fuckboys?
I don't think about fuckboys.
Yeah.
They think about me.
Oh, yeah. क्यों है fuckboys होते क्यों है, कहाँ से आते हैं, ये करते क्या है, प्लीज मुझे बताओ. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स अ करियर चॉइस. तो खुद सोचना, इंसान पूरा दिन बैठ के यही कर रहा है, आई हैव टू टेक्स्ट हर दिस, देन द अदर दिस, अटेंशन इधर भी देना है, उधर भी अटेंशन देना है.
It's a lot of work. I think guys,
yeah.
juggling looks nice when you are at work.
Yes.
Save it for your work. Next question.
Next question.
Next question. Drum roll.
When she says आपकी मर्जी और आपको जैसा ठीक लगे, तो सर means she wants you to plan. आप भी करो ना कुछ काम. I want that. What about you?
Yeah, she's right, It's really sexy when you put efforts, you decide, you plan something. We know that we love eating, we just do not know what to eat. And sometimes we just don't know, and that's why we just let you guys do the work, like just decide. But I also know that you are looking for something where we also plan, we would.
अगर हम ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, for that moment you plan. उसके बाद we'll plan.
After how many meetings a woman usually tends to decide their future partner? Shivam Gupta is asking, how many meetings?
First day करा.
I had a friend, every week she would be like, he's the one.
So Shivam, there's no date, days, years, months. When the vibe matches, that is the time you should come in a relationship. Ajit is saying, why do girls, women not like virgin boys? Bracket, sexually.
Sexually, किसी के माथे पे लिखा नहीं होता that you're virgin or you're not virgin. I think it also depends on the kind of person you're dating or interested in. How will they take it? If it's their first time, second time. And I think you don't have to think that they don't like you just because you are virgin. Being virgin is the last thing we're looking for.
The last thing. It's not on the list also that we are looking.
Exactly.
So there is adityabhartiya.ap. Do they like putting in efforts? Oh my God. I do that every time, Nandita. I put so much efforts when I am in love. Women will go over the board when she's in love, I guess. Okay, so there is Oman Nikhil who says situationship. What do you think about situationships?
I think situationships, they like us. We don't like situationship. For girls or even for men, I'm sure it's such a good quality if you meet someone who knows what they want in life from a person.
It's very attractive.
It's going to be a tragedy if it's a situationship. It's not good.
कुछ नहीं है, अभी तक कोई साथ देने वाली ही नहीं मिली. बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएगी. मैं भगवान से प्रे करूंगी कि प्रतीक __ को बहुत जल्दी एक लड़की मिल जाए.
प्रतीक के stars aligned नहीं है, I think so.
Yeah.
प्रतीक, I think you should be patient. साथ देने वाली सड़क पे नहीं चल रही है कि आपको मिल जाएगी. You really have to go out and seek one.
पहले तो मतलब क्या है इसका मुझे बताना. When to last a companion in time, zone of decade.
भाई क्रिस्टोफर नॉलन के फैन लगते हैं टाइम जोन.
I think what he meant is कि कैसे 7 जन्मों का रिश्ता निभाएं.
She's really good in like reading even gibberish. I'm telling you guys. You just
all
sent
the time.
us anything, and you just like expected us to like understand. Visach Malay 65 is saying at what point to bring up deal breakers about deepest desires.
What is your deepest desire? What is your deepest desire?
Mine? It's very Enid Blyton like to live in like a small cottage with my person, and I'm just making coffee for them, and
I love coffee.
I love coffee. I think you should bring it up like when you feel comfortable with
Yeah,
each
it's
other.
about comfort. When you are comfortable, yeah, you can.
You can. And
ask.
also to gauge if the other person's comfortable, you should talk to them and ask them, do you want to talk about this? And if they show a little bit of like, you know,
Yeah.
no, just don't. Maybe tell them, I'll wait for you then, whenever you
Yeah.
feel comfortable.
Reid is saying she replies only sometimes. Okay, I like this girl. I blocked her, asked her to block me back. एक मिनट,
Best
ये
ever.
थोड़ा टेक्निकल इश्यूज है इसमें. पहले तो अगर आप ब्लॉक कर देते हो तो ब्लॉक हो गई ना, उसको क्यों बोल रहे हो ब्लॉक करने के लिए? What is this? So do you believe in blocking?
No, I don't. I always keep my options open. Kidding, guys. Don't block them. That's very childish. If they reach out to you, be a man, be a woman, and just tell them that I'm not interested anymore. Please move on.
How would I know I can make a move when she already has a bunch of cool male friends? So what, Shivam? What is this?
You have boyfriend in-laws.
Yeah, that means friends है ना. So you can always make a move until unless you don't like her best friends. That's
That
my
honestly.
deal breaker. Okay, I'm enough for the drama. I don't want another drama.
She doesn't want sister-in-laws, man. Like, when does a woman feel the real connection with someone? First, it shows. Second, they tell you. Third, they are available 24/7.
When I feel real connection is if a guy is making efforts for me, he's taking care of me, he's listening to me, my problems, he's making plans for me, and he's just there. He's just looking out for me. What's the maximum age gap women in India are okay with? Is that different from other cultures?
No, I love mothering boys.
See, my current boyfriend is like, he's like 3 years younger to me. Age is just a number. For Kunal Sinani is like men without passion, how women looks at it.
We don't look at men without passion at all.
खुद सोचो ना यार, you are dating a girl who's like not passionate, does nothing.
Exactly.
कुछ है ही नहीं जिंदगी में. How would you survive, man? Shiv Sharan is saying, where do you find the right woman? You know where to find the right woman. Oh my God, where do you find the right woman? कहाँ पे मिलते हैं हम लोग?
What is right for you? Ask yourself.
Give some time to yourself. थोड़ा सा brainstorm करो, and then come to a decision. Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much, guys.
Oh,
for
we are done.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Thank you for watching another episode of 3M Confessions. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we'll see you again.